Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. In this video I'm going to show you how you can reset a WordPress website to default. Now, to start, let me open my browser and then type in my domain name /wp-admin, then enter, and type your username, then password, then click login. Now we are in the back end of our website. Now to start, let us first look like how our website was looking before we reset it. Then we will have how it looks like after that we have reset it to default. Now to see how our website looks like, we click here on visit site. I'm gonna open it in a new tab. Now this was my blog that I write different things, and I'm going to reset this blog to default. To do that, I come here, then scroll down on plugins. You have to install a plugin called WP Reset. I already have it, but I'm going to show you how you can find it. You type WP and then reset. This is it. If you don't have it already, you click on install and then you activate it. After that, you come on install the plugins, then scroll down and find it. Then you click on open WP Reset Tools. You click on reset and then you scroll down. Here you type reset and then click on reset site. They give you a warning before you reset your site. Now if you are ready to reset your site, click reset WordPress. Now you remember this is how my website was looking like. Now let me refresh the page so that we can see how it has been changed. You can now see that our website has been turned to default. So if you have learned something, please share it to others and also subscribe to get more videos like this.